1. I want to learn. 2. I want to learn English. 3. I want to learn English from YouTube. YouTube. 4. I want to learn English from YouTube every day. YouTube. 5. I want to see. 6. I want to see a beautiful sunset. 7. I want to see a beautiful sunset over the ocean. 8. I want to see a beautiful sunset over the ocean every evening. 9. I want to use. 10. I want to use my phone. 11. I want to use my phone to stay connected. 12. I want to use my phone to stay connected with friends. 13. I want to go. 14. I want to go to work. 15. I want to go to work by bus. 16. I want to go to work by bus this morning. 17. I want to give. 18. I want to give each of the boys. 19. I want to give each of the boys an apple. 20. I want to give each of the boys an apple after lunch. 21. I want to take. 22. I want to take a dog. 23. I want to take a dog for a walk. 24. I want to take a dog for a walk in the evening. 25. I want to keep. 26. I want to keep the garden. 27. I want to keep the garden beautifully. 28. I want to keep the garden beautifully every day. 29. I want to try. 30. I want to try to swim. 31. I want to try to swim across the river. 32. I want to try to swim across the river in this season. 33. I want to add. 34. I want to add the flour. 35. I want to add the flour into the mug. 36. I want to add the flour into the mug to taste delicious. 37. I want to know. 38. I want to know the answer. 39. I want to know the answer to that question. 40. I want to know the answer to that question this morning. 41. I want to play. 42. I want to play football. 43. I want to play football with my friends. 44. I want to play football with my friends in the playground. 45. I want to work. 46. I want to work abroad. 47. I want to work abroad as an accountant. 48. I want to work abroad as an accountant to make money.